Dear students, in the last class we have finished 1.3 exercises in relations and functions class 12 NCERT. Now this video is for class 12 NCERT relations and function first chapter 1.4 exercise related. That means concept for 1.4 exercise. What is there in 1.4 exercise? 1.4 exercise binary operations are there. Okay. Now we have to study binary operation. What is binary operation? Is it different from function or relation, or is it a set, or whatever it may be? Let us understand first. See, binary operation comes under relations and functions, means it will be function only. Why? Because relations are over. Now functions we are studying. This is function only. See, binary operation is a function. Binary operation is a function. Like function, which is function, which is not function, like basic funda is there. Like that here also, which is binary operation, which is not binary operation, that also will come in this. First let us understand what is binary operation and what will be the symbol and how it is different from normal function. Okay, normal function, when you compare, then you can easily understand. What I am going to do, just I will write normal function here, then I will write binary function here, then you can compare and see what is the difference between binary operation and function. Okay, what is binary operation mean? Binary means operation between two. That means this operation, binary operation, we can do between two elements or two numbers or two objects, whatever it may be. Two numbers we can say, two elements or two numbers we can say. Okay, binary operation. What if more number of elements or numbers comes? More number of elements also we can do the binary operation, but at one time you have to do with two numbers only, two elements only. Operation between two elements, then take result, and same operation do with another third element. That is the specialty of binary operation. Let us see. And before that, what I do, I write here what is normal function. Okay, say normal function we represent with f, and we represent like this, x to y. X may be 1 2 3, y may be 3 4 5, and f will be, f of x will be say x plus 2. Is it correct? You see, this may not be correct, but for simple understanding I told. Function we represent, first we study, we recap the function, then we study binary operation, then easily you can understand. Function is represented by f. Function notation is like this, f x tends to y or f x to y. That means input or domain, codomain. Sometimes codomain may be range, or range may be range and codomain may be different. X will be 1 2 3, y will be 3 4 5. If such condition is there, also function will be there. But here x side, domain side, all should be occupied. Then that is going to be called as a function. Okay. Until now we have learned that one. Now you come to binary operation. Okay. Binary operation is also a function. How it will be like this? Representation of binary operation like this. Okay, star, multiplication symbol, and you put one line between. Okay, this is star, binary star, or you simply star also you can call. There is no wrong to call star. Okay, binary star or not star. This is the symbol and the notation. You see now, what is the difference between normal function and binary function? Binary function is from, that means domain is a Cartesian product, A cross A. Okay, here not like only x 1 2 3. Here x is only a set. But here A cross A is not a set, it is a Cartesian product. You understand na? Function is, normal function is between elements, but this binary function is ordered pair. See, ordered pair. And A, here x and y different, but here A. And one more I give you, you see. See, real number means here once real number comes, real number and real number. Natural number means natural number, natural number. That is why we call binary operation in n, binary operation on n, binary operation on r, binary operation on z, binary operation on n. That means n means natural number will come here as a Cartesian product and result also. That means, see, for logic I am telling, binary operation on A to A means here you see A is say 1 2. Then what about AA? AA will be 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2. Okay. See, whatever you do the operation, but output also should be 2 only, such that you have to do operation. But while doing this, all domain should be occupied. That also you have to keep in mind. You cannot put only one equation and less than like that. If you put like than or one equation, then all should satisfy. Okay. Then how to give binary operation and all? Let us first understand the difference. Then you can understand. Binary operation is one operation between two elements. Okay. One operation at one time only you have to do. There may be more number of elements. And binary operation symbol is star. Binary operation is between, or binary operation is from Cartesian product to normal single. That means output will be single only. Say same thing if you take x plus 2, or rather than x plus 2, here what will come? See, here x plus 2 will not come. Like this will not come. You see here what I am doing. Binary operation is equal to A comma B is equal to A plus B. You observe this carefully with x plus 2. Here AB is this one. AB may be 1 1, 1 2, 2 1, 2 2. But A plus B means 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 2 3. Okay. 1 plus 1 2 is there. But what about 1 plus 2 3? 3 is there? Not there. Then is it a binary operation? No. Like that we have to understand. Let us see first for natural number, binary operation or not like. Now you understand between normal function and binary operation. Binary operation is also a function, but it is different from normal function. Okay. Now we see binary operation or not binary operation like one two examples we take. Then we go for these numbers also. Okay. Let us see. Let it be here only. I am writing here. Okay. You see, binary operation on n only I am taking. Okay. Binary operation on n only I am taking. Okay. Now what I am doing? Binary operation A comma B is equal to A plus B. This I have given. Okay. Now I ask, examiner asking whether this is binary operation on n or not. What is operation? This operation plus may be there or minus may be there. You see, one thing I write here. Plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay. And two more operations are there. This I will explain later. V inverted V operations are also there. I will explain later. You see, binary of this operation, not a single operation. This operation may be addition, maybe subtraction, maybe division, maybe multiplication. Okay, here addition is there. We see first this example whether it is a binary operation or not, then we go for another example also. Okay, let us see what is there. Binary operation n to n to n. Okay, this is correct, notation is correct, and a plus b, they have given operation we have to do. Okay, now let me take a as 1. See, I am not taking here, but 1 and 2 are there in n or not? Those are already there in n, natural number. 1 is natural number, 2 is natural number. For understanding our purpose, I have taken. Okay, now 1 comma 2 is equal to 1 plus 2. That is equal to what will come here? 3. See, 1 2 Cartesian product, 3 is n, element in n. Okay, n. Whether this 3 is in n or not? Yes, n. 3 belongs to n. 3 belongs to n. Then this is binary operation. Okay, then this is binary operation. You may tell, sir, everything may be binary operation. Then one more example I give, then you understand. Okay, now same thing I am giving, n only, star n cross n to n, but this time I have given operation a comma b is equal to a minus b. I have given this time a minus b. A will be 1, b will be 2, same thing. Okay, now let us do first one. See, 1 comma 2 I have to give input. Why? Because n cross n is there. All you have to give, that should be from this domain, all should go. Then only it is function. We said binary operation is a function. Okay, 1 2 is there. Then 1 minus 2, what will come? Minus 1. Is minus 1 belongs to n or not? Not belongs to n. When minus 1 not belongs to n, that means different result is coming. That result is not output for as per our format. Then this is not binary operation. Not cross mark, we write like this. What this is? This, rather than this, you write it like this. A plus b is binary operation on n. Okay, now again here we write a minus b is not binary operation on n. That means, see, a plus b is binary operation on n, but a minus b is not binary operation on n. A minus b may be binary operation on r. Okay, now I will do like this. Z cross Z, Z. Rather than R, first I have taken Z. Why? Because integers only are there. Okay. Now see, you see now here, Z cross Z, Z means, see, 1, 2, if you do 1 minus 2, minus 1 will come. Whatever may be the number, if you take, even if you take same numbers also, 0 will come, that will be in Z. If you take different numbers, either positive number will come or negative number will come, that will be there in Z. Then what you have to do here? Here you have to write like this. Minus 1 belongs to Z. Now you tell me, this A minus B is a binary operation or Z or not? Yes, definitely Z. You write like this. A minus B is binary operation on Z. Z is integers. That means in integer, on integer, A minus B is a binary operation. But on natural number, A minus B is not a binary operation. Here, binary operation means plus, minus, into, divided by, like that. That means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, max, min, V, inverted V, we will go that also. Like that operation. Okay. This is a basic concept of this binary operation. Now what we do, we come back to same this problem. with the elements. See here, a is not a natural number or this one like. It is a limited elements having the set. Okay. Now let us see. Even if they give a set also, but you have to convert it like this only, Cartesian product, and you do this problem. Why? Because a they have given 1 2 means simply 1 and 2 once you cannot do. You have to make 1 2 means 1 2 all Cartesian product, you have to make it ready like this. Okay, then we will see how to perform operation on this limited number of elements. Limited number of elements. Okay, the problem again I am writing. Say set A contains 1 comma 2. These are limited number of elements. I am asking you to do binary operation between A cross A to A. Okay, until now okay. But operation, what is operation? Yeah, operation I am giving you A comma B is equal to A plus B. Okay. See, first 1 plus 1 2 succeed, but 1 plus 2 3 not succeed. Then this is not binary operation, you tell. Say 1 comma 2 is equal to 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3 comma 3 not belongs to A. Is it belongs to A? No, not belongs to A. Therefore what you write? You write like this. A plus B on A is not binary operation. See here, A plus B is not a binary operation on N. Some other operation may be binary operation. Okay, what is that binary operation? See here, A divided by B, A by B, A into B, whatever you take, that is not a maybe the operation. Why? Because see, you may tell sir 1 into 2 is 2, but 2 is there, you can take. Okay, but what about 2 into 2? 4. Again not belongs to A. That means multiplication is also not a binary operation. Subtraction 1 minus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 is not there, not a binary operation. Addition not a binary operation. Subtraction not a binary operation. Multiplication not a binary operation. Division first number itself it will go 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is not there. That is why addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all these 4 operations are not a binary operation on A. Limited number of elements. See here, addition addition is succeeded in natural number. Why? Because natural number is infinite number set. That is why here natural number succeeded addition. Integer succeeded subtraction. Why? Because integers also unlimited. Okay, unlimited integers. In real numbers also it will succeed if you observe both. Because real number also big. Even division also succeed in real number 1 by 2, 2 by 3. Okay, but when you take limited number of elements set, then these 4 operations are not going to be succeeded for normal addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. Then you may ask, sir, then limited number of elements binary operation is there or not? Yes, is there. Min max is there, that I will show here. Okay. Okay. V inverted V. These are like V inverted V. What is V? V is max. What is inverted V? Inverted V is min. Maximum, minimum. Maximum, minimum. Then how you remember V is maximum and inverted V is for minimum? Like yes. See, if you grow, you want to develop maximum. See, top should be max. But here top will be minimum. From maximum to minimum it is going. Minimum it is going towards the top. Okay, like that you can symbolize and you analyze and you remember. Okay, then okay, you understood max is what, max min is what, but what it related to our subject. Okay, let me write. Say I have written like this: V 4, 5. Okay, Now we know that this is max, but in between these two, which one is max? 5 is max. You write 5. Okay. Same way now I have given 5 comma 10. This time what will come? 10 will come. Okay. Same thing we do here also. Say I have given min between -1 and -10. What will come? -10 will come. Why? Because -10 is less than -1. -10 will come. I have given say 9 comma 3. What will come? 3. That's all. See here, coordinate is not important. Here 5 is in, okay, both area like that only. Even see, coordinate is not important. In between these two, which one is maximum, that you have to take. In between these two, which one is minimum, you have to take. This is a maximum operation. Okay. Now I said how to do binary operation on limited number of sets. Okay. Limited number of sets I am taking here. I will take one operation table also. Okay. Say A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. I am asking you to make operation table. Operation table. What is operation? Max min operation. Okay. This side max operation, this side min operation. Operation table I am making. You observe what will come. Okay. 3 elements are there. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you see. Like these lines you draw. Now operation is here max. Max operation you keep. See this operation, see all these operations are binary operation. Binary operation may be positive, binary operation may be negative, binary operation may be multiplication, binary operation may be division, binary operation may be max, binary operation may be min. Okay. Here sometimes they give only binary operation symbol star, and here they tell max or min. But here I have written max. But even if you can write here binary operation symbol also, but for max, that is why I have given max. Okay. Now operation table between the set 1, 2, 3, na? Then I am writing here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Vertical, horizontal. Okay. Now you see the values. Okay. See, I said A cross A to A. That means you will take 2 A cross A Cartesian product, and result is 1 only. Okay. If A plus B is there, means 1 and 2. If you take 1 and 2, you are taking, okay, Cartesian product. 1 plus 2, if you make 3 will come. 3 it has to satisfy here. That means if natural number is there, means satisfy. Like that we have to analyze. You see 1 we have taken 1 and 1. Here 1 1. But between 1 and 1, what you have to do? Max. Which is max? Both are same. That is why you write only 1. Okay. But next 1 and 2. Which is maximum? 2. 2 you write. 1 and 3. Which is maximum between 1 and 3? 3. 3 you write. Okay. Now you come here. 2 and 1. Which is maximum? 2. 2 and 2. Which is maximum? 2. 2 and 3. Which is maximum? 3. 3 and 1. 3. 3 and 2. 3. 3 and 3. 3. Observe this table first. Okay. How these results have come. This is called operation table. This operation table may give for 4 numbers also in exam. This you have to write operation table, max, min. Okay, here max we have written, and we draw here for min also. Now you understand, na? Now is it a binary operation? Yes, 100% binary operation. Why? Because A is having 1, 2, 3. No element crossed 3 and no element is less than 1. You understand, na? That is why this is a binary operation. That means Binary operation max for limited number is succeeded. Now what you can say? You can say like this. Max is binary operation on A. Here A is 1, 2, 3. Max is binary operation on A. Okay? Okay. But remaining these 4 operations are not going to become binary operation on A. I have explained you. Now I write V also. Sorry, min also. Min operation table also we will see. Okay, here I am writing min. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now what we have to do? Now we have to take minimum. 1 and 1 which is minimum, both are same means you take same number. 1 and 2 which is minimum, 1 only. 1 and 3 which is minimum, 1 only. Okay. 2 and 1, 1 only. 2 and 2, 2 only. 2 and 3, 2 only. 3 and 1, 1. 3 and 2, 2. 3 and 3, 3. Okay. Now you tell me, inverted V is binary operation on N or not? Yes. Inverted V, you write same thing. Inverted V is binary operation on A. Okay. Now no element has crossed this A cross A. A cross A. 1, 2, 3, all are 1, 2, 3 only. Now, but this is not a addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. This is max min operation. These are called operation table. Okay, operation table for 3 elements, 3 element set. Okay. Now if you observe carefully, for max and min one pattern is there. That pattern you have to observe. Okay, this pattern I am writing like this. You see, here this pattern is like this. Here this pattern is like this. Inverted V or reversed V, whatever you call. Reversed V, inverted V, L. Reversed L, inverted L. Why? Because L will be like this. L will be like this letter alphabet. See, this is a reversed L. How reversed? You see here 3, 2, 1. Whether these are there in this shape or not. Okay? You see here again. This is max, this is min. In min also you see 1, 2, 3. See, these inputs you don't take. Results only I am taking. Is there in this shape or not? This you can take inverted. This is reversed L. Okay? Those shapes are there for this operation table. Okay? Now you understand na? That means even limited number of element set also will have binary operation, but not for ordinary operations. For max min operation it will be having. Okay. Now we go for next concept, commutative. Now I have told you which is binary operation on N or Z or R also I have explained. See, if you go exercise, more elaborate concepts are going to be understand, but until now basic concepts I have explained you. Now we go for commutative property we go. Now you see commutative associative property. Commutative associative property, what is there? But this property are for binary operation I am talking. Okay. Now you see, first commutative and associative. Why I have written side by side? Side by side means you can understand easily. Commutative property is between only 2 elements, say A star B, and associative is between 3, A star B star C. Okay, that means associative comes means third also will come. For commutative only 2. Okay, what is commutative? Commutative means if A star B is equal to B star A, then that is called commutative property. That means here star is operation, and also see a plus b is equal to b plus a, but this is possible on natural number n. But a minus b is equal to b minus a. Is it possible on natural number? Why? Because no negative numbers will be there. That is why not a binary operation on n, a minus b, like that you can say. Okay, that is the difference between natural number and real number. That possible in real number. Why? Because real number that will be there. But here operation you have to see, same result has to come. That means a star b is equal to b star a plus b is equal to b plus a. Yes, that is commutative. A into b is equal to b into a. Yes, that is commutative. But a minus, no, not commutative. A division, no, not commutative. That you have to understand. Okay, now you come here. Here you have to put some parentheses. Is equal to a star b star c. Okay, now putting parentheses is important here. First you keep parentheses between a and b, next you keep between b and c. If this property satisfies, then that is going to be called as associative. Then you may ask, what is star? Star may be positive or addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. But you have to see, if here addition means may be possible, then that is associative. If not equal, then that is not associative. Okay. One example we take for positivity, that means operation, associative or commutative. Another one example we take for not commutative, not associative. Okay, like then you can understand. Okay, now for this commutative associative I am not taking n or z or something like simple elements I will take. Okay, simple element I will take. I will take, say, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. Okay, with these three elements we will see. You may ask, sir, why you have taken limited number of elements? See, for concept understanding I have taken this. Okay, then application and all they give in question or problem, then we take those only. Okay, now we have taken a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. For commutative only a, b will come. For associative even 3 will come. Let us see here. Now this time I have made star is equal to a comma b, that is equal to a plus b. For addition we will see whether it is successful or not. AB is 1, 2. Okay, 1 star 2 LHS. See, I am not putting equal to here, but here 2 star 1 is RHS. LHS RHS. Okay. Okay. 1 star 2 means what? Star is what? Plus. Then 1 plus 2. Here 2 plus 1. Okay. 1 plus 2 what it is going to become? It is going to become 3. Here it is going to become 3. That means 3 is equal to 3. That is why this is binary operation. Sorry, not binary operation. This is commutative. This is commutative. Addition is commutative between a plus b. Then what you are going to tell? A plus b or a star b is commutative. Commutative for addition. Okay. Now here also we take same addition. Now I take 1 star 2 star 3. How I am doing binary operation, you see, carefully observe. Why? Because like that only how to do. 1 star 2 star 3 is equal to. First in between this parenthesis you have to do 1 star 2. Here also say, here a plus b I have given. A plus b operation. Star is equal to a plus b for this also. Okay. Now 1 plus 2 is how much? No, we write 1 plus 3 again. 1 plus 2 star 3. That is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3 star 3. That is equal to 3 plus 3. That is equal to 6. In this way you have to do. That means here 1 plus 2 after coming result only, then you take this operation, then you make this plus. Until then you should not put plus directly. Why? Because in binary operation specialty is that one only. You have to take one operation at one time only. You take result, then another operation you do. You cannot take simultaneously all operations at one go. Okay. That is a specialty of this binary operation. Here this side 6 has come. Let us see this side what will come. 1 star 2 plus 3. 1 star 5. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. That means 6 is equal to 6. Then this is associative. You tell this is associative. Associative. If both LHS is equal to RHS comes, associative, not binary. Already binary operation. These are okay. Already these are binary operations only. Now this is associative for 1, 2, 3. For 1, 2, 3, A plus B is commutative. For 1, 2, 3, A plus B plus C or A, B plus C. Both are associative. Okay. Now commutative, associative we have seen. We will see not commutative, not associative also. Okay. Not commutative, not associative we are seeing. That means what will come under. Okay. Same thing I will do. Now this time I take minus A comma B is equal to A minus B. Okay. Now LHS is 1 star 2, RHS is 2 star 1. This side 1 minus 2, this side 2 minus 1. This side minus 1, this side 1. Minus 1 is not equal to 1, therefore not commutative. Why not commutative? Because operation has changed. Earlier operation was addition. Now operation has been subtraction. Plus, minus. Addition, subtraction. Addition was succeeded. Addition gave commutative. But subtraction gave not commutative. You understand now? Now come here. Here, now rather than subtraction I take division. Multiplication if you take it will succeed. I know. Okay. Let me take division. This time I am giving A comma B star is equal to, like this element, is equal to A by B. Now this time I have made A by B. Okay. Let me see what will come result. LHS RHS. Okay. Now what I do? 1 star 2 star 3. This is LHS. This is RHS. 1 star 2 star 3. Here 1 2 in bracket. Here 2 3 in parenthesis. Okay. Now you see. First 1 star 2 you do. 1 star 2 means 1 divided by 2 star 3. 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2 only. 1 divided by 2 divided by 3. Okay, A by B. This becomes A, this becomes B. See, one operation at one time only you have to do. 1 by 2 by 3 means what will come? 1 by 6 will come. Okay, now we come here. 1 star 2 divided by 3. Why? Because 2 star 3 means 2 by 3. Okay, now 1 by 2 by 3. That is equal to 3 by 2. 1 by 6 is not equal to 3 by 2. You understand now? That means A by B is not a associative. See here binary operation we are not writing. Already these are binary operations. Okay. A by B is not associative. Why? Because A by B is not associative. See, you may ask, sir, A, B, C are there, but why you have taken only A by B? See, operation is binary operation only, between two only. A by B you have to take, then C also will come, and this A by B result is going to become A and this C is going to become B. Like this you have to do the operation. Okay. Now you understand commutative and associative also for different operations. For all operations these properties may be commutative, may not be commutative. Some operations may be commutative, some operations may not be commutative, and associative also. Okay. Now what we do, we go for identity. Identity elements are there. For multiplication separate is there, addition separate is there. those two elements, identity elements we understand. Then if we understand those two identity elements, then we are going to understand the last property, inverse also. After inverse we stop this class and we go for exercise in next class. Okay, let us go for identity element. What I do 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, that is equal to 0 plus 1. Okay. Okay. Again I am doing say 3 plus 0 is equal to 3 or 0 plus 3. Now if you observe, here I am changing this digit 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, whatever number you put in this A. But when you add with 0, same number is going to come. Even in x coordinate, the same 0 is there. In y coordinate, whatever number you give, that number is going to come. Okay. Now I will write this in different form. I will write like this: a plus e is equal to a, that is equal to e plus a. Now I tell e is 0, but you give whatever number, that number is going to come. In between a is there, you observe. In between a is there. Okay. If such a condition is there, then E is called, E is additive identity element. E is additive identity element. Here for additive identity element E is 0. If you add 0 to any number, the same number is going to come. Whether you take first 3 plus 0 or 0 plus 3, whatever it may be. That means this concept you have to keep in mind. A plus B, additive identity element means like this, you have to remember. A plus E is equal to A, that is equal to E plus A. A plus E is equal to E plus A, and that is equal to finally A has to come. Okay, A plus E is equal to E plus A. A plus E is equal to E plus A, that is equal to finally A. That means A plus E also A only, E plus A also A only. Such number what is there? 0 is there. That means here E is 0. E is 0. See 0, 0, 0, 0, E. This is called additive identity element. What is identity? Identity means self. A self is coming result. A self is coming result. Itself is coming. Self identity. Okay. Now another example I am writing here, you see. What you observe there? Their addition is not there. Multiplication is there. Okay. If you multiply 6 with 1, 6 only will come. And even if you multiply 1 with 6 also, 6 only will come. Same thing. If you multiply 23 with 1, 23 is going to come. If you multiply 1 with 23, 23 only will come. Here, what is identity and what is number, element? Okay. Now I write again. You see here. AE is equal to A, that is equal to EA. Okay. This also you keep in box. AE is equal to A, that is equal to EA. You see A is 23, E is 1, and A has come again 23. That is equal to E is 1 and A is 23. AE is equal to EA, that is equal to A. Now this is called multiplicative identity element. You write. Here E is multiplicative identity element. See, symbol is E for both, but they mention in question E is a multiplicative identity element, E is a additive identity element. Then according to operation you have to take. Here this operation is addition, this operation is multiplication. Okay. Additive identity element, multiplicative identity element for both E only. But when E comes for multiplication, it is going to become 1. When e comes for addition, it is going to become 0. Okay. If you understand these two, then we see inverse also. Now we write inverse. Inverse. Okay. You see here, 1 is there, plus minus a have, sorry, minus 1 I have made, 0 has come. Another time, now this minus 1 I have taken first, plus 1, 0 will come. Okay. Okay. Now I say like this. Earlier in between a come. Now I make in between e. Okay. Now this is a. This is minus a. This is minus a. This is a. Is it correct? You see first. Why? Because see, for additive identity element, for multiplicative identity element, in center a has come, e has not come, but for in inverse, in center e is going to come. Okay, that means for additive identity element, e, here e is additive identity element, is 0 na, then a is a number, minus a is inverse. Okay, but minus a is inverse what? Additive inverse. That you have to keep in mind. Okay, now here you write, here you are not writing about e or a, e or a standard. Minus a is additive inverse. Inverse we are talking about na. Now additive identity element, multiplicative identity element over. Those two concepts over. Only from this we have taken only e. A may be different. Depends on the question. Okay. Now here minus a is additive inverse. Minus a is additive inverse. Okay. You tell me if you change whatever may be the number, but here that number only has to come with a minus sign. I will say minus 23. Sorry, 23. But because 23 we have taken there. 23 plus minus 23 is going to become 0. That is equal to minus 23 plus 23. So minus 23 plus 23, 0 only will come. Here e is not important. Minus 23 is important. That means I want additive inverse. Additive inverse for what? 23. Then minus 23 is additive inverse. Like that you have to tell. You have to write. Okay. But here e will come in center. But here a has come in center. That you have to keep in mind. Now we have seen additive inverse. We will see multiplicative inverse also. Multiplicative inverse also we will see with one example. Okay, inverse we are talking about. Inverse, multiplicative inverse. Okay. Say I take 6 first, and here 1 is there, multiplicative. With multiplication only I am doing both sides. Okay. Now I take 1 by 6. Is it correct? If you multiply 6 with 1 by 6, 1 only will come. If you multiply 1 by 6 with 6, again 1 only will come. 6 is going to get cancelled. Okay. Even you can change whatever may be the number. 23 also you can see. 23 into 1 by 23 is equal to 1. That is equal to 1 by 23 into 23. That is equal to 1. Here e is in center. That means here what I say, a 1 by a is equal to e. That is equal to 1 by a. Multiplication symbol I have not made. A into 1 by a. Or I can say a dot. A dot. Okay. A dot. Now this e is going to be called as not e. 1 by a. Now e and a we don't consider. E and a already we have taken from earlier one. Now 1 by a we have to take. Here 1 by a is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Okay. Or else you can write a inverse is equal to 1 by a. Here also a inverse is equal to minus a. Symbol is this one, inverse. Okay. Inverse symbol is standard. A inverse is equal to minus a for additive inverse, A inverse is equal to 1 by A for multiplicative inverse. This may be B. Earlier, for function f, g will be the inverse of f, like that we have shown. Here, for A, inverse will be B. But what is B? B is equal to A inverse, A to the power of minus 1. For multiplication, A inverse is 1 by A. For addition, A inverse is minus A. Okay? These are the concept for your 1.4 exercise regarding binary operation. What we do in the next class, we will start 1.4 exercise. Whatever may be some concepts if not there or left, those also we will do while doing exercise only. Each one we will understand example carefully with each question. Then we are going to have grip on this subject. Thank you very much.